Assalamu alaikum. Hello, this is Riaz Ahmed Qurai Advocate. I also complete my BBA honors from Muhammad Ali Jinnah University. In capacity of students, I was involved in student society since my school days, in my college, in my university. I have deep understanding of the PAN experience by students at all levels. I have been approached by a lot of young lawyers and students from various cities of Sindh for the lecture series of law. In that connection, I have approached Mr. Ghulam Murtaza Qurai, Advocate High Court. Currently, he represents Sindh Revenue Board in Sindh High Court, Karachi. And he accepted my request for delivering lecture in Moro Bar Association for young lawyers, students in Moro Bar Association, District Nowshera Falls. For that, inshallah, on 25th of July 2020, we are going to organize a one-day workshop, a lecture, and inshallah that will commence from 9 a.m. We all welcome you, the students, the lawyers, and the other peoples, those who are interested in a law, will be welcome in Moro Bar Association on 25th July. Thank you so much. Let's meet Mr. Ghulam Murtaza Qurai. Thank you so much, Sir Ghulam Murtaza Qurai. You give us a time. I know you are busy in your personal assignments these days, and still you give us a time, and you are coming tomorrow for the young lawyers and advocates to give a wonderful lecture, inshallah, on 25th of July at 9 a.m. in Moro Bar Association. So, sir, tell us about that session, that how you will conduct that session, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Riaz Ahmed Qurai. I appreciate this young man. He has always approached me with numerous problems faced by students, and I have seen him seeking solution to all those problems faced by students at all levels. Actually, these are unprecedented difficult times. The world has experienced unprecedented global lockdown, and various countries are still experiencing lockdown. These difficult times for businesses, for professions, including the legal profession. The work is badly affected. And let me tell you more. The fresh graduates and the students, they are about to complete their studies. The job landscape is unclear. Their future has become ambiguous. Means these are challenging times. Now what should we do, or what should be done to thrive in these challenging times? Actually, I'll suggest to lawyers that our fraternity, most of the lawyers, they are engaged in criminal practice. One area is still, or one area remains unexplored. What is that area? The area of the corporate world. The laws that regulate corporate world, like the law of contract, corporate laws, the law of taxation, and various connected laws. So we are going to come to Moro Bar Council, and we are going to conduct a one-day workshop for those lawyers, and we are going to tell them the opportunities not only in Pakistan but out of Pakistan. They can become global lawyers, and we will be telling them what are those opportunities. We are not only going to motivate them, but we are going to tell them the right strategies, the tools, and the set of skills that is required to become global corporate lawyer or taxation lawyer, or in the field of contract management. And there is also good news for the students of Moro. As Mr. Riaz Ahmed Qurai has always approached me with the problems faced by young students, you are most welcome to contact Mr. Riaz Ahmed Qurai. We are going to have special counseling sessions for you. I'll be there for 2 days, and it would be pleasure for me to help you out. See you there. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.